Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and today I want to show you this beautiful Turn S Tube 3-tier shelf. So this is a display shelf. It has three, but I bought this for my daughter's playroom. It was super simple to put together. You literally have these tubes that you just snap together and put the shelves in between them. It goes together super simple and easy. I love it to be able to make a display for smaller toys. As you can see, I use this for her little tiny mini figurines, and I attached lights and different things. You can get very creative with these shelves. I find them useful in different rooms for different things. This is a French oak look. So it's got a beautiful grayish distressed wood looking color to it. And the thing I really like about this too is it's got rounded corners, so nobody's gonna hurt themselves, especially your child. This is a very nice size too. It's not too high, so it is nice to be able to work around if you do create something with it. I really love the fact and the quality of the wood. So this is very durable, and your child is easily able to play with this. They're not going to break it. So I absolutely love having this as an addition and be able to create with it inside her playroom. That's what I chose to do with it, and it worked out so well. That's just my point of view.